Welcome back to the Hostek channel. My name is Deja, your favorite Hostek host. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your virtual directories from your WCP control panel. But before we get started, as always, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And to learn more about Hostek and how we can help you on your web hosting journey, make sure you click the link below. Once you've logged into your cPanel, under Files, you'll find Virtual Directories here. Now, this is where you'll see a list of your domains, and if your website has any subdomains, they will all appear here on this list, where you can manage virtual directories for. For this example, we'll go ahead and click on Example Trainings. Now, if you have any active directories, this is where they will appear. But in this example, we're going to create a new one. So simply start off by clicking Add. Now for this example, let's name our virtual path tutorial. For the physical path, you can either type it in or click Browse. I'm going to click Browse, and we'll use the index, and we'll just leave it like that. Now you can also create this folder as its own application folder just by clicking the Create Application Folder box. But once you have your virtual path and now your physical path, we're going to click Save. And as you can see, a virtual directory added successfully. Now you can see the virtual path, which is tutorial, and then also the physical path. You can also manage, like change the name, edit, or you can delete it all together here, or to create a new one, just simply click Add again. And that is how to manage and create a virtual directory in your WCP control panel. Thank you all for watching. If you like our tutorials or you have a tutorial recommendation, make sure you leave a comment in our comment section. And while you're there, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click the link below in our description box to learn more about Hostek and how we can help you on your web hosting journey.